Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the screw head type and that thread lock is present. This matters because strength and approach differ by grade. Apply penetrating oil around the joint and let it sit for 5–10 minutes while you set up. Heat the screw with a controlled source to soften anaerobic compounds. Aim for moderate warmth, not glowing metal. Once done, use the correct driver and firm hand pressure. Tap the driver lightly to break initial bond, then turn slowly to feel the release. You now focus on breaking the bond. Apply steady, increasing torque rather than sudden jerks because that reduces head damage. If resistance remains, switch to an impact driver to deliver rotational force with impacts. It helps shear cured thread lock. For stripped heads, use a screw extractor or create a better gripping slot. Make sure to alternate heating with brief cooling. This thermal cycling can fracture the adhesive without harming surrounding parts. Keep observing movement. Once it loosens, finish by cleaning the hole and mating threads thoroughly. Remove residue with solvent and a wire brush so a new fastener seats properly. Inspect the screw and female threads. If threads are damaged, replace the screw or re-tap the hole to restore fit. If removal failed and the head or shank remains seized, drill the center out carefully and use a left-hand drill or extractor to remove the core. If you get stuck, stop and reassess to avoid creating more damage. This saves time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.